Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 14332 Class 4 trailer hitch on the 2005 GMC Sierra. For this installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, lower the spare tire. Remove the existing hex bolts from each frame rail located here. You may need to use a spray lubricant to loosen the bolts if rust is present. Raise the hitch into position. Secure the bumper mount with the provided hex bolts and lock washers. Fasten until finger tight. Fasten the hitch to the frame with another hex bolt at the rearmost attachment point. Fasten the remaining attachment point with the provided carriage bolt, spacers, and flange nuts. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in your supplied instruction sheet.
Yeah, it's too orange. It needs to be black.
Really?
Yep. That looks way better. Thanks, Matt.
This completes the installation of the CURT 14332 Class 4 trailer hitch on the 2005 GMC Sierra. Find all the CURT products for your ride, and thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.